Good morning, everybody. This is Ganesh, social teacher. We learned today 10th class 12th lesson. This is the name of the lesson is The World Between the World Wars. This is my part 3rd video of this lesson. In previous videos, we have seen some definitions of great historian, and we have seen the long-term causes of World War I. And now we are going to know this video World War II, why the World War II was took place. And before that one, we see a great depression was took place in the world at that time. What is meant by depression? A great depression. Depression means the fall of prices. Great depression. Okay, great depression. Great Depression was took place in first of all America in the year of 1929 to 39 period. It was started in 29 and 39. It was end by 39. What is meant by Great Depression? Great Depression means fall of prices. That means depression means fall of prices. Okay, fall of prices. Why these prices were fallen? Now we focus here. As you know that every producer, they are expecting some prices. They are expecting some at least minimum profit they are expecting. But after completion of Second World War, after completion of Industrial Revolution in England, the technology was rapidly grown up, and even the technology was it spread over all other European countries, and every country was started production. Automatically the demand of good was declined. That leads to what is that? When the demand is declined, prices also will be declined. This is what the fundamental principle of economics. Okay. Now what happened actually? All goods were produced and no one is ready to purchase. What will happen here? Company, suppose you take company. Now we are going to know about a company. Okay, what is the company is produced a pen. Suppose we are going to take example of pen. A pen cost is actually, to produce a pen cost is 7 rupees. Inclusive of all taxes, they are ready to sell. The pen cost is 10 rupees. See, this is company A situation, and company B also is ready to sell the same pen. Okay, company, this is B company, they are ready to sell. Actually their cost also 10 rupees only, but company is ready to sell their pen at the cost of 9 rupees only. Because in those days the technology was flourished, it was grown up, so that is why number of companies came to produce the goods. C company is ready to, now we are going to see here C company, what they are ready to sell their good at even 7 or 8 rupees they are ready to sell. So that is why what will happen if they are doing like that? What will happen? Now we see here. So company never get any profit. So no income for company, no income. Okay, no, I write here, erase, just I see no income, no profit, I take pen. See here, no profit here, no profit. Company is not getting profit, no profit. So no profit, what happened? No profit leads to no investment. Now my dear children, you look at here, no profit. You should not expect any good in the market at free of cost or low prices, because of that indicates collapse of economic system. Now no profit, there is when they are not getting profit, that leads to not getting investment. Where there is no investment, no capital, okay, no income, no investment, that leads to no capital. Where there is no capital, there is no any production. So all companies they are going to be locked down. All companies they are going to be locked down. So that leads to what happened? That leads to no employment. Nana, no employment, you see, no employment, you see, you able to see no employment. See where, see how it is interconnections are there, how they have interconnections are there, you observe that one. See, no profit, no investment leads to no capital. No investment means no capital means the company owner is going to be locked that company. So all the employees come out from company, they come to road. This situation was took place especially in 1929. It is called as what? Great Depression. Everybody was depressed because of there is no employment. No nation is ready to generate any employment for its people. So that is why, see, a great person, American president, announced that New Deal policy. Question will come. New Deal policy was brought by whom? New Deal policy. Okay, Roosevelt, Franklin Roosevelt. Now we see that. Now I will show next. Now we able to see, read here fastly we go. See how to New Deal policy was brought by Franklin Roosevelt, who became the president of, now I am reading here, New Deal policy. What is meant by New Deal policy? Who announced this New Deal policy? New Deal policy was announced that the ex-president of America, his name is Franklin Roosevelt. I underline here. Okay. What is a New Deal policy? See, according to his statement, according to New Deal policy, American government is going to give some amount, borrows for other nation. That is known as what? Financial assist. It is called as what? Financial assist. Okay. That America, yeah, of course, these countries are suffering with economical crisis. So America is going to give some amount to generate your employment in your nation. This statement was given by Franklin Roosevelt. According to Franklin Roosevelt, this is what? See, this is a statement of Franklin Roosevelt. According to his statement, America is going to give some financial help for other countries. This is called as what? New Deal policy. Now I underline here what is New Deal. This is called as what? New Deal policy. It is called as what? New Deal policy. I read here. Franklin Roosevelt, who became the president of America, answered the New Deal, which promised relief to the victims of depression from financial institutions and step to ensure your economic recovery. The statement was given by Franklin Roosevelt. Now, then, how he asked a great economist, one who is recognized as the father of macroeconomics. The father of macroeconomics is James Smith. Father of macroeconomics is Adam Smith. Just remind that one, you remember. Okay, see here, J.M. Keynes is here. J.M. Keynes told, a great economist. Now we able to see here J.M. Keynes. He suggested this American president that to overcome from this Great Depression, government has to invest some amount to generate some employment in their country. When they generate employment, all people they do some work and they do participate in production. later they get, by doing of that production we can sell other countries, we can sell our production to others, and we can gain other countries income. So that is why we can run our system by doing of this cyclical process. Okay, this suggestion was given by whom? James Keynes. James Keynes told that to overcome great depression, what we have to do, the government which are ruling in those days, that country's government, they have to bring some amount from other countries and do some investment to generate employment. By doing of that employment, by giving of employment, everybody is getting income. So everybody is putting some expenditure. That expenditure leads to become big investment. Again that investment they are going to put, and again they are generating all these economic process. This process was told by James Keynes. My dear children, still Indian country is following this system only. KCR and even Narendra Modi, these people, they are going to borrow amount from World Banks. World Banks, where it is located? America. New Deal policy, you have understand now. New Deal policy brought by whom? Franklin Roosevelt. Still all these nations, even that World War I, II, everybody is committed. But still we are all, we are all working under the concerns, under the guidelines of World Bank. That I needed to say this one. You are the future generation students. You have to think about your nation. You are ruled by your rulers, but these rulers are working under the guidelines of World Bank. Do you appreciate this? You think about your nation. So that is why Marxist economist, a great Marx, Karl Marx, he opposed this system. He opposed, what is that? Capitalism. That is why, see, in next video I explain about what is that, the ideological conflicts. The ideological conflicts, why these ideological conflicts were risen, and how they were worked to form Second World War. Now we will discuss, we will learn about them in next video, Nana. Thank you, beta.